All right, welcome back. And today we're going to be talking about the Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card. Now, we're going to be talking about this today because this is probably one of the most popular credit cards that Chase Bank actually offers people who are looking to sign up for a credit card. And this is also one of the most popular travel credit cards that some would say because of all the perks and benefits and things like that that you get with the Chase Sapphire Reserve card. So go ahead, give this video a like, and we're going to talk about this card today. If you guys want to sign up for it, there's a link down below in the description. I do not have an affiliate link for the Sapphire Reserve card, but I'll put one down there if you guys want to go and check out the card directly. Now, if we're looking at the Sapphire Reserve credit card here, through Chase, some of the things you're going to want to know going over these numbers, okay? Now, if you get approved for this card, the minimum limit is going to be $10,000. It can go up to whatever you can qualify for based on your income, based on any documentation they may ask or anything like that, depending on what you put down for your income. Now, if you want to get a credit limit increase on this card, you can do that, and the amount you can request, that's going to vary by the user and also going to vary, of course, by what you can even get approved for based on your income and those kinds of things. So if you do it, though, just know that each time you do a credit limit increase, it is going to be a hard pull on your credit. Now, the annual fee, this is the part that scares a lot of people, because for this, they see that the annual fee for the Chase Sapphire Reserve card is $550 per year. Now, people get concerned because they see something like the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, which is only $95 per year. And if you guys want to see a comparison video I did on those two, you can actually click. I'll put a link in the cards or down in the description. You can watch the comparison video between those two that I've done. But for the Sapphire Reserve card, it's $550 annual fee and $75 for each authorized user. Now, there's no introductory APR. The APR is 16.99% to 23.99%. Cash advance APR is a little higher than that at 24.99%. If you want to do a balance transfer or a cash advance, you're looking at $5 or 5% of the transfer amount for balance transfer, whichever is more. Cash advance, $10 or 5% of the transaction amount, whichever is more. Now, there's no forward transaction fees on this. Late payment fees up to $40. Over the credit limit fees, none. Return paycheck fee up to $40. Return check, none. And authorized users, as I mentioned earlier, you can put an unlimited amount on, but it's $75 annual fee per user you put on there. Now, let's get into the rewards and the bonuses and that kind of thing, because this is where this Chase Sapphire Reserve card really helps offset that $550 annual fee. Now, the rewards with the Sapphire Reserve, you get 3 points for every dollar you spend on travel after earning your $300 travel credit. So if you're someone who travels a lot, this is one of the cards, like I said earlier, is popular for people who travel a lot because you get a $300 travel credit right off the bat, which helps offset that $550 annual fee. Now, you get 3 times the points on travel and dining at restaurants. You get 1 point on everything else. Your welcome bonus is 60,000 bonus points after you spend 4,000 on purchases in your first 3 months from the account opening, worth up to $900 if you want to spend that on travel, groceries, dining, that kind of thing. So again, it's another one that helps offset that $550 annual fee, at least in the first year. And for most people, $4,000 in 3 months is going to be pretty doable, especially if you're someone who travels a lot. You're going to be spending more when you're probably doing travel. Ultimate Rewards bonus is another one they offer where it's 50% here. So we'll talk about that in just a moment, but that's another one of the benefits and the rewards that come with this card. So credits, you get several credits with this. You get $300 annual travel credit mentioned earlier, $60 DoorDash credit, up to $100 application fee credit for global entry, TSA PreCheck every 4 years. So they are giving you more credits. They are giving you more bang for your buck and more value for paying that higher annual fee. Now, as far as talking about the Ultimate Rewards bonus and the points and how that works, so here's how it actually works if you're going to be redeeming points through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. Okay, now the way this works is if you are a Chase Sapphire Reserve card holder, your points are actually going to be worth 50% more if you use them in the portal that Chase has. So I'll give you an example. So if you have 60,000 bonus points, those are worth, say, $600, okay? 60,000 points, you can cash them in for $600 directly. But if you're going to buy a plane ticket with those bonus points instead, and you go and buy that through the Ultimate Rewards portal, the value of your points going to be 50% higher. So the $600 that you could take if you just cashed out the 60,000 points are actually going to be worth $900 if you buy something through the portal, if you buy that plane ticket through the portal. So again, it's to help offset that cost of the annual fee. If you're someone who travels a lot and you pay for lots of flights, you buy them through the Chase portal, you're getting 50% more value with all the points you've earned. So that's one of the bigger perks they offer, is that 50%. Now, some of the additional perks they offer, they do give you statement credits towards Peloton Digital and All Access memberships. They do give you up to $120 for this card when you enroll through December 31st, 2021. So you have until the end of this year, 2021, to take advantage of that. You get your Dash Pass, complimentary Dash Pass, worth up to $200 for a minimum of a year. If you take Lyft a lot, then you get bonus rewards on Lyft purchases. You get 10 times the points for having the reserve card through March of 2022. And then all of these I'm about to talk about here, there's no foreign transaction fees for this, but then you get all of these other benefits to go with it, like purchase protection, extended warranty protection, trip cancellation, interruption insurance, auto rental collision damage waiver. You get baggage delay insurance, trip delay reimbursement, travel and emergency assistance services. And then you also get even more perks on top of it. Some of them we'd mentioned, like the $300 annual travel credit, the global TSA pre-check entry fee credit for up to $100 every 4 years. You get the $60 DoorDash credit. You get complimentary year of Lyft Pink membership, which is worth $20 a month, which includes 15% off car rides, relaxed cancellations, and priority airport pickups. You do get priority pass, select lounge access at 1,000 plus VIP lounges in over 500 cities across the world. So that's supposed to be valued at $429. Another one that you can see is where they're really targeting people who travel a lot with this credit card. Special benefits at luxury hotel and resort collections, such as complimentary room upgrades, early check-in and late check-out, lost luggage reimbursement, return protection, emergency evacuation and transportation, 24/7 direct access to customer service specialists. Now, choosing this card, this is a very popular card for those reasons I mentioned earlier. That's why lots of people like this card. Some of you may have other travel credit cards you really like. If you do, I would like to hear about it in the comments section, where you think the Chase Sapphire Reserve card ranks in terms of how it stacks up against other cards that are commonly used for people who travel a whole lot. But that's really the big thing with the Chase Sapphire Reserve, is that if you travel a lot, this is one of those cards where you're probably going to want to have this because of all the benefits you get. So whether it's for work reasons or whether it's for personal reasons, this can be a great credit card for you. Now, a couple things you want to note here is that you cannot have both the Chase Sapphire Reserve and the preferred credit card at the same time, okay? And if you want to have one and then you close it and get the other one later, you have to wait 48 months between earning the sign-up bonus on one card before you can earn it on the other card, because a lot of people see that this Chase Sapphire Reserve and the Chase Sapphire Preferred are two of the most popular cards that Chase has. I think they can just, get both of them in a short time. No, that's going to be a challenge. The other thing you want to know with Chase, that's pretty common if you just search this online a little bit, is Chase's 524 rule, which means that your chances of getting approved for a card are lower if you've opened 5 or more personal credit cards across all banks in the last 2 years, not just with Chase, but with all banks. So if you're someone who's newer and starting your credit journey and building your credit and having credit cards, this actually works to your benefit to go to Chase early on, because you can get your first, so you can get several cards with Chase before you hit that 524 rule. I myself got 3 credit cards from Chase within a 4-month period because I did not have other credit cards within that 24-month window. So I was able to go get several cards from them in a short time. And because of that 524 rule, I was able to stay underneath that rule of having 5 cards in under 24 months. So some people, if they want to get a card from Chase, they have to get out of what they call 524 jail, just because they have to wait for the time to pass so that they can be within Chase's guidelines. So if you like traveling a lot, if you want this card and think it's going to be a great value, again, I'll put a link down below the description. Not an affiliate link, but just a direct link if you guys want to check this card out, especially if you travel a whole lot. I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's something you think I missed that was really valuable, please put it down in the comment section below. Other than that, I really appreciate you watching, and I will see you again soon.